Okay guys, on this video I'm going to show you we're going to do the decision making using if statement. Okay, so let's say you are in the restaurant. So when you are in a restaurant, you give in an order. An order is like it's cold drink. We have two things to order. It's either cold drink or coffee. So now, so you're in a restaurant. Here comes the waiter. Waiter asking you a question. So, what do you like to order? That's a question. So then, this is what you have on the menu. And so let's keep it simple. Let's say coffee, coffee, and let's say we have cold drink, cold drink. Let's not include water for now. Okay, cold drink. So now we have order, call to input, right? Okay. So now you put your order. And if it's coffee, it's gonna ask you how many teaspoons of sugar. Then if it's cold drink, it's gonna ask you for a flavor. So it's a decision making. It's making a decision. So let's say we use if statement. Say if order call to at one. And say print. So let's start with coffee. How many? Because it's one anyway. How many teaspoons of sugar? Keep it simple. So we're getting an error there. Okay, it was that. So alright. So then we're going to have sugar. Sugar equals to input. So if order equals to 2, and we print. It's simple. What flavor you want? Right? What flavor do you want? So then say flavor equals to input. So you're going to input your flavor there. And the last part. So print. So print. Okay. So after that we're going to print that. So print. So 2. Okay. So this one is a tricky one. Your order is coffee, not coffee. Your order is This flavor, cool drink, make it space. Okay, so let me start. What do you like to order? So let's say you enter one. Okay, so the code, we are not done with the code, so we're just testing because now, but okay, let's start. So let's say I choose coffee. How many teaspoon of sugar? So I enter teaspoon of sugar, 3. So it's not gonna do anything. Okay, but let's do this one of cold drink. So we say cold drink. Oh, okay, cold drink. We need to enter a flavor. So let's start. Okay, cold drink. Okay, we didn't ask a question. We did, we did. So let me stop. We did ask a question. Let's see. Your order. Oh, okay. Supposed to be sugar. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Order is on the input. So if order equals to 1, it's gonna type that. So we didn't do the one for yes, we didn't. So let me cancel the part of sugar. So if you enter, it's gonna ask you for the flavor. So okay, number 2. So yes, what flavor do you want? All right. So let's go back to the code. So if it's sugar, if it's 1, it's gonna ask you how many teaspoon of sugar. So here, put sugar. Sugar. So here, under here, we put flavor. So this one, we're going to print talking about coffee. So order is coffee with sugar. So, again, with teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so let's see. So it's gonna ask you uh what order. You put your order. If you put 1, so it's gonna ask you how many teaspoon of sugar. So you put the sugar, so it's gonna print this. So then if you press 2, it's gonna say what flavor, then yes. So let's print. Let's start with the one for coffee. So 1, how many teaspoon of sugar? So let's say 5. Your order is coffee with 5 teaspoon of sugar. All right, so let's start again. Let me say cancel, stop. Let's choose cold drink. No, yeah, cold drink. Why it's not doing cold drink now? So let's check what's going on here. So is what order? So Okay, what flavor do you want? Um, okay, guys. The reason why it was not working is because of alignment. Alignment is very, very, very important. I didn't know about that. I knew about it, but was asking myself like to show these are under the if statement. These under this if statement. That's why they are under. You see, these if are aligned, so everything needs to be aligned. So yeah, my bad. Okay, so we run the code. We say true. What flavor do you want? Or did I say Fanta? See, so when I say your order is this Fanta. Your order is Fanta cold drink. So let's try another one. So true Coke. The order is Coke cold drink. Okay, guys. That's it for this video. Please like and click that subscribe button. See you on the next one.